it's not all that exciting, but bear with me and I'm going to tell you why I'm so excited about these wheels. Right fellas, welcome back. Got some new wheels. Now you might be thinking that these wheels are just some rusty old steel wheels too. It's not all that exciting, but bear with me and I'm going to tell you why I'm so excited about these wheels. So first and foremost, stick with me because I need your advice on a couple of things, which I'll get into as I talk you through the wheels. So right, rusty old steel wheels. These are genuine optional extra Cooper S wheels. So if anyone doesn't know the numbers, I'm going to go through kind of the numbers and what used to come on a Cooper and a Cooper S and tell you the differences between these wheels and replica wheels, because I've had a lot of people messaging me saying, Tony, you can just buy brand new ones from mini spares. They're not the same from mini spares, and I'll tell you obviously the differences between genuine S wheels and replica S wheels. So, bit of a background on Cooper S wheels and Cooper wheels. So, they used to come from factory with standard 3.5J LP 882 wheels, and then the optional extra wheel for Cooper S was LP 883, which is what I've got here. The reason I've bought the LP 883 wheels as opposed to LP 882 wheels is because the car has got the optional extra bits on it, like what's it called, the reclining seats. I kind of thought that it may have come with these from factory. Now on the heritage certificate it doesn't tell you all the optional extras. It doesn't tell you like whether it come with the 3.5J wheels or it come with the 4.5J wheels, or it come with the reclining Cooper S seats. Basically all the heritage certificate tells you is FE numbers, obviously chassis numbers, body colour, engine numbers, interior colour, basically what it should look like. So I've guessed that this car would have had 4.5J wheels on it because it's got the reclining seats in it. I may be wrong. It may have come with the LP 882 wheels, but nobody knows. I'm just taking a guess that this would have come with the LP 883 wheels. So yeah, standard wheels LP 882, Cooper S optional extra wheels LP 883. They did do a reverse rim, but now I'm pretty sure the Cooper S didn't come with a reverse rim as an optional extra. So the reverse rim is an LP 918 wheel, which is like the, I don't know if they're the same size 4.5J or a little bit wider. I don't really know an awful lot about reverse rims because they were kind of standard on the Cooper S. I just thought I'm not going to get into it. So I've done a lot of research on these wheels, as you can tell, to make sure that I buy the right wheels. In terms of putting them on the car, I'm not sure. I'm going to get them refurbed. I'm going to get tyres on them and I'm going to offer them up and see what it's like. I'm kind of guessing Old English white and Old English white. There's no real contrast there, especially with the black roof. But you never know, I might get them on the car and I might like it and I might stick with it. I am not selling me rose petal wheels, if anyone asks me again. I've had loads of people message me on Instagram saying, Tony, you're going to sell your rose petals now you've got these Cooper S wheels. I'm just going to keep them because I don't know what I'm doing yet. Getting on to refurbishment, which is what I want you guys for now. I don't know if to get them sprayed or powder coated. I had the wheels powder coated on my van, but the only thing I'm mindful of is if I get them powder coated, you're not going to be able to see them numbers. I know you're not going to be able to see the numbers anyway because it's going to have a stainless steel hubcap over the top, but I'm just thinking once you take the wheel off, you might be able to see the LP 883. And also, a few people have said to me the finish on spraying a wheel is better than powder coat, but I honestly don't know. But like I say, if you do know, please let me know if anyone's had them sprayed or anyone's had them powder coated, or if anyone's had them sprayed and then gone to powder coat because spray's no good, or vice versa. I'd be really keen to know. Right, main difference between a genuine Cooper S wheel and a non-Cooper S wheel is this lip here along the edge on a genuine S wheel or Cooper wheel is so thick. On the replica wheels, you'll notice from mini spares, the actual lip here is kind of like, I wouldn't say it's twice the size, but it's kind of maybe a third on top, and it's also got, instead of having a slightly rounded lip on the front, it's actually got a straight lip on the front. And also this profile here, as it kind of curves up and round, the non-genuine wheels, they're more straight, so it looks like they've been put on a lathe and kind of finished off that way. Yeah, it is really, really anal, I'm going to this level, but like I say, I spent 18 months looking for that car. The last thing I want to do is put replica wheels on it. So that's the main difference between genuine wheels and non-genuine wheels, and obviously the fact non-genuine wheels haven't got the stamp put in them, which again you're not going to see, but like I say, when the hubcap's on, it's on the car. If you are an absolute pervert and you look for stuff like that, you will notice the difference between genuine wheels and non-genuine wheels. Right, in terms of tyres, so I was born in the 60s, as you're all well aware. Now, does anybody know what tyres used to come on these cars? So I've looked at various different tyres. I've looked at the Dunlop Aquajet tyres. I know you can get them in two different sizes, one to suit the 3.5 inch wheels, one to suit the 4.5 inch wheels. And I also looked at a tyre from Broccoli's as well. I can't remember what the brand of the tyre was called, but I know Rich put me onto that. But yeah, if anyone knows whether you can still get the original tyres and what the original tyres were, or what the closest thing to the original tyres would be, because obviously I want these wheels to be as close to how they would have been back in 1965 when that rolled out the factory. Also, what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to document the whole restoration process of these wheels as well. Oh, nearly. Yeah, so I'm going to document the whole restoration process. So that's kind of why I'm asking you guys what I need. I'm still doing research in the background, so I may be able to find out with various different Google searches. So like I say, I'll either document getting them obviously all cleaned up, powder coated, and tyres and stuff, or I'll go through the whole process of getting them sprayed up. If I get them powder coated, I'm going to use my powder coater who lives over in North Wales, RLP powder coaters. Or if I get them sprayed, I'm going to use Mechanics to spray them up, and then I'll get tyres and stuff fitted at my mate's garage. So yeah, that is my new wheels. Like I say, it's literally just a short and sweet video today because I just want to get a bit of information from you guys and see if anyone's got any recommendations as to what I should do with regards to refurbing them and tyres and stuff. So not a very interesting video, I do apologise, but what I am going to do is crack on with getting my van ready for next week. So the sign writer's coming on the 16th of September. I may or may not be able to be here. I've had a bit of a change around my work because my van's decided to break down and it's currently at the Ford garage getting fixed. So I'll see what happens. Right, thank you very much for watching. Like I say, if you have got any advice, please do get in the comment section and I shall catch you in the next one. So stay safe and see you next time.